Hello friend, today I'm going to teach you how you can download any application from Google, then use in your Android smartphone in easy way. So for example, if you want to download any application, first of all you have to know the name of application you want. For example, here you can go in your laptop, even in your smartphone, on Google, then you type like APK extractor, download. After to write the name of an application you want to install in your smartphone, you can find so many websites which can possible to remove. So the main application which you can download can become from up to down. In up to down website you have to find many more applications, then you accept like this. After to accept, the website can show you the latest version like this one. When you find latest version, you have to click. This is example I show you for some application I want to download. Also you can come and write in here like WhatsApp Messenger, then you type on search. After to type on search, the website can find slowly by slowly like everything you see here. So then you come and place on WhatsApp like this. After to place on WhatsApp, the website also can show you the latest version, then you place it like this. When you place it, can show you also the MB it have. If you want to download, you have to placing again. After to placing again, you can wait the process of website because it was already going to search inside. Depend of the connection you have. If you have the good connection, can come directly. When you find the pop-up message like this one, you have to choose for save, then you press in OK. And also you come and see how the process it is going on. When the software finished to download, you have to open the location folder, then you place on the application already download, then you send on your device and try to installing on. This is how you can download any application. So, and also when you use the smartphone, you have to type like that one, then you choose APK from any website. So when you find it, the phone can ask you like this type of file can harm your device. Do you want to keep APK extractor or other application you download anyway? You have to place in OK. After to place in OK, the APK or the application you download, you can find it directly. Then the phone show you that application is already downloaded. After to get, you have to place on it, then the phone asks you to install. After to ask you install, the installing start the process in your phone, then you open it. This is how you can download any application yourself, then you start to using it. Subscribe and view for next trick you have to use.